Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 11 assignment of Advanced Computer Networks. So friends, let's check the first question. Question number 1. Which of the following statements is incorrect about Content Delivery Network (CDN)? The options are: CDN comprises a single centralized server that caches the contents. CDN distributes the content to end user through a set of CDN servers. CDN prevents servers from becoming overloaded. CDN is deployed as an overlay network on top of existing network to host the content close to the end user. Here, incorrect statement will be this one. CDN comprises a single centralized server that caches the contents. Okay, so I select this option. Now moving into the next question. Question number 2. Which of the following techniques are commonly used for content delivery optimizations in the current IP based networks? Okay, so options are: content distribution networks, transparent caching, IP unicasting, IP multicasting. The option is content distribution networks, transparent caching, and IP multicasting. Okay, so I select this one, this one and this one. Now moving into the next question. Question number 3. Which of the following is not true about the information centric networking (ICN) architecture? The options are: efficient content distribution, ubiquitous caching, data is dependent on the application, data is dependent on the location, name based routing. The answer will be data is dependent on the application. That is not true, and data is dependent on the location. That is also not true. Okay, so I select both this option. Now question number 4. Which of the following is a major challenge in deploying ICN? The options are: difficulty in securing and protecting data, difficulty in caching the data, incompatibility with legacy IP-based system, inefficient in terms of routing the request. Okay, the option will be incompatibility with legacy IP-based system. Okay, now question number 5. Which of the following statements are incorrect about traditional IP-based content caching techniques? The options are: transparent caching schemes do not improve the response time, transparent caching schemes are usually managed by service providers, transparent caching schemes can intelligently decide the content can be cached locally. In web caching, if two copies of content C are stored on the server belonging to different providers, the caching system will access the content using the same URL. Okay, here only these options are incorrect. Okay, transparent caching schemes do not improve the response time. Question number 6. What is the role of forwarding information base in ICN? FIB. Options are to store content objects, to store host addresses, to store the outgoing interfaces per each known name prefix, and to track the forwarded requests. The answer will be this one, to store the outgoing interface per each known named prefix. Okay. Question number 7. What are the major challenges associated with multi-point distribution in the current internal architecture? The options are scalability, security, mobility, unable to reduce network congestion. The answer will be scalability, security, mobility. This is the major challenge. Okay. Now get into the question number 8. How does an ICN handle request for content? The options are routing requests to specific server based on the requester's IP address. Next option, using a content name to locate and retrieve data from any available network node by broadcasting the request to all devices on the network, by sending the request to specific server based on the content's location. Okay. The answer will be using a content name to locate and retrieve data from any available network node. Okay. Now question number 9. Consider the table below to match the ICN content naming schemes with their correct representational structure. So answer will be flat will be matched with option 2, hash function. Hierarchical will be matched with option 3, example content video a.mp4, and attribute will be matching with option 1. Okay, so the answer will be this one, P2 Q3 R1. Okay. Now moving into the question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. Which of the following statements is incorrect about the security model of the current TCP/IP network and information centric network? Okay. The options are TCP/IP protects the communication channel between a client and a server using TLS. Next option is ICN protects the communication channel between a client and a server. ICN networks use data encryption and authentication mechanisms at the transport layer. In the ICN security model, packet content and names are associated with strong cryptographic primitives. Okay. The answer will be this option is incorrect. TCP/IP protects the communication channel between a client and a server using TLS. See, TCP/IP is different protocol and TLS is a different protocol. TCP/IP is used to establish a reliable communication between client and a server, and TLS is used on top of TCP/IP. Actually, TLS required TCP/IP for reliable connection. Okay, so this is incorrect statement regarding this question. And ICN protects the communication channel between a client and a server. This is also partially incorrect. Okay, that is not true actually. Okay, but I'm not sure actually. Okay, so I select only this option, TCP/IP. Okay. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this benefited you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any. If there is any changes in this answer, so I will share through comment box. Okay, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.